The iconic N series is back, and the 2026 Nokia N73 5G proves that nostalgia and next-gen innovation can coexist beautifully. Crafted by Nokia, this device isn't just another mid-range contender. It's a statement, a tribute to a classic rebuilt for the speed, style, and expectations of 2026. From the first glance, the Nokia N73 5G radiates premium vibes. The design strikes a perfect balance between modern minimalism and subtle retro cues. Slim bezels, a refined matte finish, and a sturdy aluminum frame give it that flagship feel. It sits comfortably in the hand, lightweight yet solid, delivering a reassuring sense of durability that Nokia phones are famous for. The display is where things truly come alive, featuring a vibrant AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Everything feels fluid. Scrolling, gaming, streaming. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and brightness levels make outdoor usage effortless. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or casually browsing social media, the viewing experience is immersive and crisp.